been a while since I recorded a video speaking in English, and I'm very sorry about it, but I'm back now! Yay! So today I decided to bring an unboxing video. A few days ago I received a kawaii box from YumeTwins. In case you don't know, YumeTwins is a monthly care package of everything kawaii and cute deliveries range from Japan. If you're into kawaii products and Japanese culture, you will love this surprise box. So, as I was saying, I received this box a few days ago and I didn't open it because I'm not supposed to open this before recording this video. And I've been very excited and curious to know what's inside the box, and now is finally the moment. So, let's check out.
A few moments later. 'More moments later. 5 minutes later. 2 hours later.
It's not supposed to open like this, I'm sure.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Okay, I am pretty sure this wasn't to be opened like this at all, but like I'm so stupid.
Just then.
Okay, I'm pretty sure it wasn't supposed to open like this, but I did my best. Oh. So it comes with a flyer that tells about the products. A Disney plush, and it comes with this. It's a kawaii adhesive bandage, and here we have a My Melody dental travel kit. And that's a Remy Sanrio Japanese goods blind box. I don't know what this means, but okay. Let's open it. Oh. It looks like this. Okay, let me try. Let me show you. Can you see anything? No. That's so cute. Gudetama. Cute. And the last one we have Sailor Moon playing cards. I love Sailor Moon so much. Let's open it. Wow! So that's all for today. I just wanted to say thank you so much, YumeTwins, for sending me this treat box. I am so glad that we can work together. It was really a great partnership. If you want to know more about YumeTwins, please click in the link down below in the description. And thank you so much for watching. And follow me on social media if you want to. I have Instagram, Twitter and everything. See you guys next time. Bye bye!